Hello, Mr. Geiselart here, and now we're going to take a look at number 4. So the limit as h approaches 0, and we want h on the bottom. So to put that in, I'm going to do my limit. So I have the limit as h approaches 0 of x plus h squared plus 4 times x plus h minus x squared plus 4x, all of that over h. So let's simplify. The limit as h approaches 0. So that's going to be x squared plus 2hx plus h squared plus 4x plus 4h minus x squared minus 4x. All of that over h. So let's see what will cancel out. Negative 4x, positive 4x. And I see just a little problem. This should be an h right here, so I'm going to just change that to 4h, not x. And then we have the negative x squared, positive x squared cancels out. So we have the limit as h approaches 0 of 2hx plus h squared plus 4h all over h. So now I can factor in h out of the top. So I have the limit as h approaches 0 of h times 2x plus h plus 4, all of that over h. So that will cancel out, and we do the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h plus 4, and h goes to 0, so that's just 0, so I have 2x plus 4 for my derivative. So 2x plus 4. So if I put a negative 6 in for x, 2 times negative 6 plus 4 is negative 8, and 2 times negative 5 plus 4 is negative 6. So those are my answers there.